Today, I am hunting on the south side of my permission. I am hunting both dove and pigeon. I spot this dove at about 35 yards on a rooftop. Down he goes. This pigeon I spot on the rail right above the cows at about 40 yards. He takes a hard hit right to the crop. I slow the motion in this next shot, which is a 2-for-1. Shot delivered, and they are both down. Here, you see shot number 1, down. I pan to find shot number 2, is also down. Great shot. This next shot I range at 69 yards. I had a slight left to right wind. I hold for the wind. Deliver the shot. Down he goes. This next shot occurred at 35 yards. Takes a hard hit right to the heart-lung area. Shakes it off, gets up, but only to go down again. This pigeon was just at about 35 yards. He sat inside the roof where he thought I couldn't see him, but he was wrong. He takes a hard hit right to the neck. This pigeon was sitting at just about 50 yards. Takes a good heart-lung hit. Flies off, only to topple over. This dove was taken at 35 yards. He takes a hard shot right to the chest. This pigeon was sitting at about 35 yards on the railing right above the cows. He takes a hard hit right to the crop and through the spine. He's stoned. Again, in this shot, I slow the motion so that you can see what happened. I'm going for a headshot, or just above the head, on the bird at 50 yards. As I'm sighting in this bird, the other one walks right across. I squeeze the trigger. It goes through the rear end of him and strikes my intended target in the head. And this is the result of a headshot. I don't regularly shoot for headshots on pigeons. It is a small target zone. And as you see, a headshot causes a lot of commotion, which scares off other birds. However, as you can see in the background of my scope, they stuck around. Maybe it was because of the abundance of food that was put out for the cows on this day. These pigeons were spotted at about 50 yards among a group of dove. I waited patiently for the dove to clear, and I took the shot. Good clean shot. Heart-lung. He's down. As I'm taking a break, I notice these cows returning to the pen after being milked. I like to walk around the farm and just sightsee a little bit when I have to take my breaks. I spotted this pigeon just about 40 yards, limping away from me. I line up my crosshairs and I take the shot. Down it goes. This dove was taken at 35 yards. He dies instantly, right on the spot. Generally, when I hunt this outside of my permission, my primary target are pigeon, as this is where they tend to congregate. So I wait for the pigeon to clear the dove, or for the dove to clear away from the pigeon, and I take the shot. Good, clean, heart-lung shot. He's down. Here, you see another 35-yard shot. Good, clean shot on the dove. He's down instantly. I spot this pigeon at about 40 yards. It appeared to be injured, possibly from a shotgunner who comes out to help eradicate the pigeons. I line up my crosshairs and I take a shot. Good, clean shot through the heart lung and out the spine, and he's down. This dove was also taken at 35 yards. Good shot. I spotted this pigeon at about 60 yards, walking out into a clearing. I line up my crosshairs on the neck, and I take the shot. Down he goes. Great shot. This next shot is a 40-yard, quartering away shot. I love these shots. This shot is also a 40-yard shot. Heart-lung shot, right next to his buddy, who was in the quartering away shot. This is the last shot of the day. 50 yards, cowbird. Again, I slow the motion as he takes a devastating hit from my Hatsan BT65 and 25 cal. Thanks for watching. Take care and be safe.